Hello, 5th grade. We're on Domain 6, the Reformation, Lesson 8, Revolutionary Thinking, a closer look. So our objectives for today are to reread portions of the text about Copernicus, Kepler, Galileo, and the Church, and to reference informational text and images about our slide presentation. So we're going to go ahead and independently read the text for today. Our word work for today is contemporary. Most of Kepler's contemporaries had not changed their thinking. A contemporary is a person living in the same time period and or who is about the same age as another person, and this is a noun. Okay, we're going to go back to our slide presentations. Remember, a slide presentation is just like an essay when it comes to presenting information. However, a slide presentation is a little bit more bullet points, very simplified, and more pictures. An introduction is your thesis. It is introducing what the whole presentation is all about, and it should be very, very clearly stated. And then you're also going to create a conclusion slide that summarizes and gives it a little bit interesting and has a final thought added to it. And making sure that all of your slides being put together have a correct sequence for the material provided. So with your introduction slides, making sure it's catchy, grabbing the reader's attention. Notice the title that was on my sample slide, The Reformation, Ideas That Rocked the World. It wasn't just, this is the Reformation. We added a little bit something to get the reader's attention. Also, introduction slide does not have bullet points like the body ones do. This one is just meant to get the reader's attention, so it's adding images. Make sure you're also creating your conclusion slide, which should be something memorable, an image, final thought, anything that you think is important to end your slide with. And remember to put pictures on your slides to make them more interesting. So now you're going to, when you're done creating all of your presentation, you are going to then present your slide. You're actually going to record yourself presenting the information, and you're going to send it to your teacher. This is a very important part of a slide presentation. If I was given a slide presentation that was with bullet points and pictures and no one was there to explain it to me, it's not a strong presentation. I won't understand what the information they're trying to convey to me is. So it's super important that we have you recording yourself presenting it so we know exactly where your thoughts were on those things, and it's a little bit clearer for where you were going with it. When finishing your slide presentation, remember to refer to this rubric. This rubric is exactly what we're going to be looking at when we are grading it. So it's very important we refer back to this when you create it. And that is the end of today's lessons. We will see everyone in Lesson 9.